Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. So this is, I guess, going on day 4 of redoing my exhaust, but today I am finishing up. So if you were following along at all, last night I got everything basically put back together and tack welded in place. So the plan is for today is to take everything down and finish up the welds and make sure everything is nice and solid before I put it back into the car, and then put everything back together and drive it for the first time. So stick around. I'm gonna take the exhaust down and move it onto the welding table and get to work. think I am all done. Alright, well, I think I got everything welded up about as best as I can. So, I'm gonna have to let this cool off for a good bit. Do still need to go underneath the car and put a couple more tacks into these guys that are on the pieces that connect to the headers. But other than that, I should be able to put everything back up and call it good. Alright, so I finished welding everything up. Now I'm getting ready for reassemble. So I got my mufflers loosely hung up at the moment, so now I'm gonna feed my mid pipe in and connect it up, and hopefully everything still fits the way it did when it came off. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, well, let's see how everything fits. Those are tight, those are tight. Got my rubber grommets that I cut up to feed these wires back into. So I'm going to connect them. I think I'm going to test them real quick just to make sure that they work. Okay, looks like they both work. Sweet. Sweet. I got both of the grommets in. Everything's wired up. Wires are pretty much tucked away. So, there's that. Just the angle a little bit and tighten it up. See? There we go. This one I need to fix too. All right, sweet. Looks like that's all done. Woo! Yeah, I got everything in place where I want it. I guess really now the only thing left is to clean up and start her up and see how it goes. Alright, so I got everything picked up and now I'm gonna lower the car, start her up, and see how the valves sound. So stick around. Well, from the sounds of it, looks like the valves work just fine. This was a challenging project, but it was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed the content, and hopefully this gives you an idea if you ever want to try to do something like this to your own S550 that doesn't come with the active exhaust systems. I'm sure there's a lot easier routes to have done this, but I kind of had to do more or less a full revamp on this just because some of the other parts were old, broken, or just degraded too much. But I hope you guys liked it. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Appreciate it.